Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I will introduce a app. It's called Linky Chat with Characters AI. So recently this app has been launched. So you can see the rating of the app 4.8 out of 5 and 22k reviews, 80 megabyte size of the app, and 1 million plus people already download this app. So Linky, an unprecedented AI chatbot, brings influencer to your real world. So there are a lot of things available here. So if you learn more about this app, then you can go to about and you can write like want more time to chat with AI to embark on unique experience. So dive into an AI world compiled by various character AI. So chat with various character AI, immersive AI chat role play, generated new characters in one click, and personalized digital cloning, draw and collect unique cards, social scenarios simulation, explore endless possibilities, stay connected. So here you can see there are many things. The app is released recently, May 10 2024, and they are updating and they are bringing a lot of feature. So if you want to check reviews and ratings, then you can come here. After trying other story chatbots, this is one of the best. You can follow the story or go off the rails with it. I love going to completely different direction. This is the best AI toy I have played with so far. So people say it's many things, it's really good. And if you want to check the main some main feature, then you can get here. Like million of characters are waiting to talk to you, so you can talk with them and dive into different story. So you can dive different story, immersive text role play, receive mysterious letter from your AI partner, gather cards to unlock hidden plot, and create your characters with one click. So there are a lot of things here you can easily use. Just install this app and start using. I'll create more video how to use this application in upcoming tutorial. So okay friend, today is no more, and see you in the next video.